resurrection.
It's funny how the music put time to perspective, how the soundtrack to your life is perfected. Whenever you are feeling blue, keep walking and we can't get far. It's funny how the music put time to perspective, how the soundtrack to your life is perfected. Whenever you are feeling blue, keep walking and we can't get far. Wherever you are, like a movie that you can't predict, like a book that you can't resist. A sing-along song that's so sensual. Bring along stuff to make it all so sexual. Verbally that is, making love to the music means vibe to the beat at night. With the whole city fast asleep, how cold true words seem to ride through my lips. Take hold of a hold of me most powerfully. I feel free when the world doesn't know to me. It's so hard to find a gig that lives up to the billing. Trying to find a reason to work out, will it not me? My thinking is wishful, like a star upon a jar, gazing up to the ceiling. How far do we have to stretch the truth to fit the lifestyle borrowed and overdue? We can take it all back to the register and start all over from the canister. Just break it all down in a piece of bright moments that pass by like you need it, alright. Throw on your favorite reel, that's good to go. On the analog play, watching people glow. Sit back to the breeze and let the memories flow. Comedy, tragedy, all the highs and lows. It's funny how the music put time to perspective, how the soundtrack to your life is perfected. Whenever you are feeling blue, keep walking and we can't get far. Wherever you are, wherever you are, whenever you are.